Hey all, Holly Warner here, owner-founder of Holly Warner Health, all things functional medicine, patient advocate, thyroid, hormone, adrenal specialist, LDN, cannabinoid therapy. We do all the stuff. Head over to the website if you want to know more. That's the website down here. Go there, check out the store, check out the blog, all sorts of fun, free information. I also offer courtesy calls, so if you want to chat at no charge and no obligation for like 15 minutes, it's probably a good thing to hit up. I'll put that link down there as well. All right, let's talk about brain dehydration. Did you know that if your body is dehydrated by basically only 2%, your performance is going to be completely off? Same thing goes for the brain. If your brain is dehydrated by just 2%, your cognition goes in the shitter, folks. Your mental cognition, your thought process, you get this foggy, icky brain. You can't think straight. Good luck tackling those tasks and trying to figure out those equations. What was 2 plus 2 again? Oh, crap. Yeah. Your brain becomes dumbed down. What do you get? You get brain fog. You get headaches. You get fatigue. You get, and this is your brain. I'm not talking about the rest of your body. I'm not saying neck down. I'm talking about your brain specifically. The fatigue, the brain fog. It can make you cranky because it can affect your mood. This dizziness, this just overall sense of like, ugh. But most importantly, the brain fog. Every cell in our body needs hydration, and that counts for our brain as well. For those of you that say, I drink enough water, cool, okay. Maybe you do. Maybe you do. But that doesn't mean that you're not still dehydrated. You see, hydration comes not just from the water, but also from the minerals. Think electrolytes. Your body, you could drink gallons of water, but if you're not getting those electrolytes, you're not getting proper hydration, which is why I drink electrolytes. It's a part of my daily regime. You sleep all night, we sleep for 8 hours, or 7 or 6 or 9, depending on how you roll. That whole time you're not drinking anything, which means you wake up in a dehydrated state, but you don't rehydrate. Guys, you gotta rehydrate. You should start your morning every morning with a glass of salt water, because salt also feeds your adrenals, just as a side note, and that's what helps you handle stress, even if you're not going into the office. Listen, we all got stress. Better water means optimized health, so I don't just run to my tap, pour a glass of water, and chug it back. I use really good water. You can use an alkaline water, you can use a stream water, you can use whatever you want to, just get the chemicals out, watch that fluoride. It really does make a difference, especially if you're a thyroid patient. Very, very important to note that fluoride wreaks havoc on your thyroid receptors. Keep that in mind. Drinking enough quality water is going to be the best anti-aging formulation that you've got. So if you're worried about wrinkles and you're running for Botox, or even you're running for expensive skin cream, whatever the case may be, chugging back some electrolyte water, some good quality water, like stream water. I really love stream water. I'll tag them below. Chugging back some really good high quality water is going to do your body a lot of favor. Cell membranes are like these little bags that hold all the goodies inside our cells. They are made of phospholipids. That's fat. Usually oil and water don't mix, and it's not really an exception in this case either. So how the heck does the water cross through to get to where it needs to be intracellularly or in our brain? So how does the water get in and out of our cells? You've heard of leaky gut, you heard of leaky brain. It's kind of sort of the same thing, a little bit. Not 100%, but kind of. Our cells happen to be a little bit leaky, just a little bit, just enough that that water can cross through. It trickles slowly, but not quite enough. Not enough for survival anyway. Aquaporins. I'll put that below. Yeah, that's right. Aquaporins. Aquaporins are holes in our cell membrane created by proteins. So they kind of allow water to come through at a faster rate. However, it's much like kids in preschool or in kindergarten when they're all sort of holding hands and they're going in a single file out to the playground. Same deal. It's going to allow the water to cross over single file. However, fast enough that we can utilize it and not die. There's different types of aquaporins, yes, and they're pretty smart too. They're smart enough to let the water in, but not the charged electrolytes. They know what they're doing. They're not dumb. So the next time you start to feel a little foggy, why not reach for a nice glass of water, throw a little Himalayan pink salt in there, or one of my rehydrate recipes that you can make your own electrolytes. It's on my website. Or you can just Google snake juice. That works too. Chug a little bit of that back, rebalance everything out, hydrate your brain, and stop dumbing yourself down. Because I don't know about you, but I like thinking. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. This video, I'm hoping you liked it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, you can give me a thumbs down, but also comment what you didn't like. And if what you didn't like was just a physical attribute, nobody cares. But if you actually didn't like something about my video that I try to make easy to understand so everybody can grasp it, let me know what you want to hear more of. Be kind, be nice, but be you. Later.